today I'm gonna take the chance to talk about something in the household of clients that I bought and felt satisfied with, which is a microwave oven. About 4 years ago, on the occasion on my mom's birthday, I decided to use my savings to buy something can share her burden with cooking. And I found that microwave oven have various a variety of benefits due to its convenience. Compared to traditional method, microwave oven can have microwave oven is advantageous as well as changes in our cooking habits. It's not only steam meat, default meat. It not only steam rice, default meat, boiled porridge, but also heat the leftover the food on dishes directly. And we needn't suffer from the smell of smoke or unbearable heat and oil in the kitchen if we cooking with microwave oven. Moreover, microwave oven offer us a healthier dish with nutrition in meat and vegetable are maintained in a corrective extent. More importantly, we can cut down amount of time on cooking as opposed to traditional methods. With all benefits I mentioned above, my parents really love the microwave and happy when using it.